Hey guys, I am jumping on to do a super cute 3-minute craft. So, let's let the clock start. I've got a picture frame from Hobby Lobby. It was like $4. I have a piece of scrap fabric, which you can buy fat quarters for not much at all. I'm pulling the stuff out of the back of the frame. Oh no, I'm gonna have to break the glass. This one has glass in it. It's glued in. I did it. I broke the glass. Okay, so normally you don't have to break the glass. It would just pop right out, but this one is interesting like that. So I'm gonna break that glass. In the meantime, I kind of broke this, so probably have to fix that. Okay, so you're gonna need this piece right here. You're gonna need either quilt batting or this pillow stuffing. This is polyfill. I'm just gonna grab a big handful of it. I'm gonna wad it up. And guys, I haven't tried this yet, so we're just hoping it works. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna stick it right on my frame, and I'm gonna put this piece back on. So I'm gonna push, 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 push. This could be a complete fail. Look how cute. You see that? How cute is that? Now the only problem it looks like I'm gonna run into is where that broke. Let me cut this. Cut. Okay guys, so if this worked right, I would have been able to just pop this back on. There we go. Got it, got it, got it. Okay, let me do a little bit of trimming. Now, the one thing I would do if it were me and I'm leaving it this way is I would hot glue. But look at that, super cute. Do we know what it is? Let me show you. Let me go behind the curtain. Oh, all right guys, so what is it? Anyone want to guess? It's a pin cushion. Look at that. How stinking cute is that? So right by your sewing machine, just stick your pins in. 3 minutes. Did I make it? I hope so. Thank you so much for joining me live. Hope to see you back later. Bye.